using Google Drive. First, we want to head to ugcloud.ca and we will log in with our Windows account. We are then taken to the Gmail interface, but we want to go to Google Drive, so we will click on Drive at the top here. And here is the Google Drive. This is an online storage site for us to host files. So we can upload our files. To do so, we click beside this Create button, this arrow, and we click File to upload a single file. And we choose a file that's on our computer that we wish to upload. I chose this picture, but it can be any type of file. Usually people upload their documents. In the lower right hand of the screen, we can see the file upload status, and when it's finished, it appears right there in our drive. Now you can also upload an entire folder, but you can only do this if you are using Google Chrome. And what this means is the entire folder and its contents will be uploaded to the drive, so you don't have to click each file one by one. So we click on the folders this time instead of files, and we choose a folder, and we can see that 9 files are being uploaded, and it takes a while sometimes, so I fast forwarded it for you guys. And now the folder appears in our drive. If we want to create a document in Google Drive, we can do that as well. Many different types of files can be created, but for this video we are going to be creating a document. So we click Document, and we are taken to a basic word processing screen. And you can do many things here that you could do with a word processor that would be installed on your computer. So we can play around with text, we can set the title. There's a whole bunch of tools up here to play around with. Now to name the document, we go to the top left and we click on Entitled Document, and we set our own title. And the most important thing about Google Drive is sharing. Now to share, you go to the top right and you click Share. You enter the person's email address who you wish to share the document with. And it's really cool because you can both collaboratively edit documents. So that means you can edit them at the same time. And productivity can be doubled, or even more than doubled sometimes. Now if you want to save the file for offline use, you can go to File at the top left and go to Download As and choose the type of file you want to save it as. PDF, Microsoft Word type of file. It's up to you. And to go back to our drive, we click this little arrow in the top left. And now we can see that the newly created document appears in our drive. To create a new folder, we click Create again, but this time we select Folder, and we set the name for the folder. I'm going to call it folder. And if we want to move a file to that folder, we can drag and drop it towards the folder, or we can check mark multiple files and then go to Move to it. Dragging works pretty nicely. There is my document inside the folder. And we can share the entire folder by check marking beside it. Once we check mark beside it, we go to the top here and we click Share, and that means that people will be able to access whatever is inside that folder that you shared. If we want to sort the contents in our drive, we can go to Sort at the top right and choose a sorting method. Last edited, last modified, title. There's a bunch of sorting methods. Now, as you can see, I'm playing around with the sorting, and there the documents and folders are changing order. Now, to set up offline access, click More on the left side and then click Offline. Once offline is clicked, the web service will be installed as long as you are using Google Chrome. Now, offline access allows you to view and edit your files without internet access. This is great if the internet went out or if you are on a flight and you still want to access your files, but you must use Google Chrome. This will not work on Internet Explorer or Firefox. And to delete a folder, we check mark beside it and we click the trash can. Thanks for watching.